Welcome to the science realm. You are now looking at the moon, not as a distant dot in the sky, but as a world of human achievement, courage, and discovery. This is the complete legacy of lunar exploration. From the first impact of Lunar 2, to the footprint of Apollo astronauts, to the modern landers of Chang'e and Chandrayaan, and soon, the return of humans with Artemis.
Apollo 11. July 20th, 1969. Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin landed on the moon. First human footsteps on another world. That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind. Neil Armstrong. Apollo 12. November 1969. Second lunar landing. Pete Conrad and Alan Bean landed near Surveyor 3. Whoopee. Man, that may have been a small one for Neil, but that's a long one for me. Pete Conrad. Apollo 13. April 1970. Oxygen tank explosion. Crew used lunar module as lifeboat and returned safely. Houston, we've had a problem. Jack Swigert. Apollo 14. February 1971. Alan Shepard hit golf balls on the moon. Explored Framoro Highlands. It's been a long way, but we're here. Alan Shepard. Apollo 15. July 1971. First lunar rover. Drove 27 kilometers on the moon. There's a magnificent desolation. Buzz Aldrin. Apollo 16. April 1972. Explored Descartes Highlands. Collected 95 kilograms of samples. I'm glad they got old Brer Rabbit here. This is really living. John Young. Apollo 17. December 1972. Final Apollo mission. Eugene Cernan, last man on the moon. Harrison Schmitt, the only geologist. We leave as we came and, God willing, as we shall return, with peace and hope for all mankind. Eugene Cernan. Luna 2. September 1959. First spacecraft to reach the moon. Impacted Mare Imbrium. First human-made object to touch another celestial body. Luna 9. February 1966. First soft landing on the moon. Sent first panoramic images. First successful soft landing. The surface is solid. Luna 16. September 1970. First robotic sample return. Collected 101 grams of lunar soil. First robotic sample return from the moon. A triumph of Soviet engineering. Luna 17. November 1970. Deployed Lunokhod 1, the first remote-controlled rover. First remote-controlled rover on another world. The ancestor of all planetary rovers. Chang'e 3. December 2013. China's first lunar landing. Deployed Yutu rover. China's first step on the lunar surface. Jade Rabbit roams the moon. Chang'e 4. January 2019. First landing on the far side of the moon. First ever landing on the far side. A historic achievement for all humanity. Chandrayaan 3. August 2023. India's first South Pole landing. First nation to land at lunar South Pole. India is on the moon. Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Artemis 2. Planned 2025. First crewed moon mission since Apollo. 4 astronauts will fly around the moon. We are going back to the moon this time to stay. NASA Artemis team. Artemis 3. Planned 2026. Will land first woman and first person of color on lunar South Pole. The Artemis generation will take us further than ever before. NASA leadership. Viper. Plan 2024. Rover mapping water ice at lunar South Pole. Water is the key to lunar exploration. Viper will find it. NASA scientist. LUPEX. Plan 2026. ISROJAXA joint mission to explore South Pole water ice. International collaboration for lunar discovery. India and Japan unite for the South Pole.
The moon is our stepping stone to the solar system. The knowledge gained from these missions paves the way for Mars and beyond. The adventure has only just begun.